right now we're about to eat. Everyone's in line and cooking up some more food. We're having a lot of fun. And tonight we're gonna party. Just stay tuned, bro. It's gonna be so lit.
Yes, sir.
Like and subscribe. I know your channel.
What is it?
It's Sunday.
What's my name?
Sesame.
video用哈。
3 hours later.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with another banger. Happy 4th of July. We're making tacos and guacamole and right now we're like cooking right now. Hey, smell him.
So you open it, right? And then if you press this button, oh, metal cooling, that's tough.
Bro, chill.
Look, and then you press this, and then it opens to the second one. Oh, apples. And then you.
Oh my god.
That's tough.
Bro, no.
No, I should cold water.
No, guys, look.
Wait.
What? That's not for y'all.
Bruh.
So for the drinks, we have Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, Fanta, Sprite, and Cola, and these are all like, utensils, whatever. And this is the chips for the guac. Chips and guac. And then these are the tortillas. And then over here we have el corn, and then the al pastor.
Wow. No, I was not.
Bro, why you make my baby cry? For real. Oh, don't touch me. Kai, you made her cry so much.
Sorry.
Give her a hug right now. Smile. No, fashion people are not supposed to smile.
It's outside.
Oh!
Rochester ain't ready, bro.
I don't know what you and none.
He wants to start.
Bruh.
He wants to talk about my family, my sister, my friends, me.
Bruh.
Look how beautiful. Why don't y'all take a beer break?
Oh guys, look at this dumbo. Why is he on the grass? We have Salim, Tin, Steven, Paul, Joseph, Chris, Judy, Ken, Sutonia.
Out of nowhere, Henry sent a picture of Sweet Sea when it was so unnecessary. And since then, things have escalated. He's been being rude. Disrespect has been building up higher, and he thinks we're gonna let it slide.
Okay, what about none?
The first time he said something messed up
Bruh.
to myself, bro. He said I was fried, like
Bruh.
Okay, let's go.
alone and vulnerable.
Go.
What's up? Like, what is up?
I didn't say anything.
Yeah. I don't know what in your mind processed that, but stop. Before it gets negotiated, she gotta say that. No, I don't think that's it. I want to see. Why not make her see that? What should I say? He's calling.
I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut.
Oh, okay.
Bro, look at these gay ass crocs, bro. Gay ass bedazzled ass crocs.
I'm not finna diss my boy without
I don't know why you think that's okay.
I swear
Huh? He want to do something right now.
Yo, that's it. What's the big shit? Hurry up! Hurry! Don't got no time.
Come on, I paid $25 for this, bro. Hey.
But you ain't front of her. Run, 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 run! Run, run, run!
Crash chance over.
Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh my God!
Bruh.
That's it. Is it a stick?
What's the stick?
Oh, it smells so bad, bro.
It doesn't look.
Oh my. No, save it.
Big one.
Oh, bruh. Yo, are you good? Yo! Okay, they're doing it for them.
One more. One more.
Oh my smoke. Do.
You want to pop all 4 of these?
Wow!
All 5 of these.
At the same time?
Only 3 lighters though.
Oh.
How we gonna do this? Before they explode our hands. I don't know.
Beat the dude up.
Alright, let's do this, bro. Hurry up. Why you looking at us?
Let's keep a beat when I see her in the street.
That's it.
Hey, our friend is in jeopardy right now.
Why you making a hot chick by herself, bro? What are you doing? You on the way to her, right? I think she's going to do it.
Man, I got this all to myself.
Oh, nah. We're gonna say sorry. We're gonna say sorry.
Yeah, don't go in there like that, guys. We're gonna play.